In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Poky app with Shopify. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you will manage apps, settings, and store features all in one place. Once you are logged in, look to the left side of the screen. You should see a vertical menu. This menu is your main navigation, and the next few clicks will all happen from there. In the left sidebar menu, click on the option that says Apps. Clicking this will take you to the Apps area of your Shopify admin. This section is where Shopify lists the applications you have installed and where you can install new ones. If you do not see apps right away, you can quickly scan the left menu for it. In most dashboard layouts, it is fairly easy to spot. Now that you are on the apps page, you will need to find the specific application you want. Search for Stockist. On screen, there is usually a search field that lets you type the name of the app. Type Stockist exactly as it appears, then review the results that show up. This step matters because it helps you avoid installing the wrong app and ensures you are working with the correct integration for your store. After you have entered the search term, click the result for Stockist. This is the step where Shopify opens the app listing. Take a moment to confirm that the app page you are on matches what you want. You should see details about what the app does and how it connects with Shopify. This is useful because it gives you context before you install. Once you open the correct app page, look for the Install button. Click Install. This action tells Shopify that you want to add the app to your store. Shopify will then guide you through the final confirmation part of the installation process. Next, Shopify will show a permission screen. This screen explains what access the app will request in order to function properly. It is important to review this permissions information carefully. Read through what the app is asking for and make sure it aligns with what you expect. If you are not sure about something, take a moment to scan the wording so you understand the access level. When you are ready to confirm, click Install App on the permissions screen. This final confirmation is what actually completes the installation. After you click, Shopify will process the request. Depending on your store and network speed, it may take a short moment to finish. While the installation completes, you may notice that the page updates or that Shopify shows status information. Do not refresh repeatedly. Just allow the process to finish so the app can be set up correctly. After installation, you should be able to return to your apps area and see that the app has been added to your Shopify account. At this point, you have successfully navigated from the Apps section to the Stockist app listing, and you have confirmed installation through the permissions screen. That is the core process you need in order to get the app installed on Shopify. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.